To his credit, ang sabi niya, yung mga follower niya, magpapakamatay para sa kanya. At ayaw niyang mangyari yun. So to his credit, he was still displaying a modicum of leadership to his followers. Kaya naman, again, I will stress, it was a very, involved police action, augmented, of course, by the AFP, augmented by the civilian arms of government, it was, once again, it was really through the efforts of what our policemen did. And once again, I stress that kung merong mang nasaktan, ay may galos lamang, may sugat lamang. No major injuries were sa tulakan, sa girian. Ngunit wala namang nasaktan wala namang namatay, walang nabaril. Dahil walang ulitin ko. Lahat ng pumasok sa KOJC compound, lahat ng tao natin, ni isa doon ay may dalang baril. Wala sa kanilang may dalang baril. Dahil hindi mo na malaman kung may dalang baril, iba yung nagiging usapan. Yung instruction ko sa kanila. Wala akong gusto masaktan. Hindi ko naman gustong saktan yung mga member ng KOJC.